Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can cancel your HungerStation order. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, all you need to do is simply tap open your HungerStation app, and once you have tapped it open, you will have to get signed up or logged in into your account. So once you have got signed up by entering your mobile phone number, you will end up in the home page of your app. After you're in the home page, you need to simply tap on Go to Active Orders. After doing this, you need to now select the order you want to cancel, and usually you will see a cancel order option which you can tap to initiate the cancellation process. However, you must ensure that you cancel your order before the restaurant accepts the order for the best chance of full refund. And if you cannot cancel it directly, simply contact HungerStation customer service for further more assistance. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.